You are going to love the 2025 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.